Hello everyone, welcome back to another Flaming Guns video. My name is Flaming Sniper, and in today's video we're going to be playing some more Fame Simulator. I don't know, when was the last time I recorded? Like 2 weeks ago? What the heck? Yeah, I think the last time I recorded was 2 weeks ago. I'm so sorry for that. I'm probably going to make 2 videos today in the time I have. Oh my god, this dude is a clan. The heck? They're like 3 of the same people. Look at them walk. So Fame Simulator got this update. And of course another friend joined me. So Fame Simulator got another update. I have not been paying attention to much updates. I most likely won't be making videos this weekend because I have tests. So yeah. So yeah, I have exams next week. So for the whole of next week, I will not be making any videos. So telling you from now. Last time I made a video was in February the 2nd. Oof. Also guys, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I sent a thingy, what's it called again? I sent I forgot what it's called. Gave my friend of mine a Valentine's Day gift card today. She liked it. She liked it. That's what she said. I swear, like, does everyone in Roblox dress retarded this time? What is that? It's like some marshmallow clothes with. Wait, is that marshmallow clothes? No, it's not. Dude, let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. Okay, you don't want me to see you. Okay. Oh, that's fine. I think I'm probably gonna play another game because I don't want to play Fame Simulator all the time. So I'm probably gonna make another video today, and I'll make another video on something. What? I don't know. Double follow. What? Oh god, Hayden, he's back. The Roblox freak is back. The Roblox, oh my, what? No. Oh my god. What the flip? What the actual flip? Hayden. What the heck? What? Dude, no. I'm not. I think I'm going blind. What? I'm going blind. Hi, human wolf. I'm going blind. No. I had to do that. I'm very dramatic, but Hayden, and of course. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh, little boy. Oh god, I don't even know what I'm gonna make this video anymore. Ooh. Help me. Yeah, you do need help. Dude, give me your wife. And dude's like, what? He needs Wi-Fi. He needs some Wi-Fi. Get this boy some Wi-Fi. Ooh. That's where Hayden comes in and I start laughing like crazy. I was perfectly normal. If you Wi-Fi, boy. Get no Wi-Fi, Hayden. Get help. Find Wi-Fi and then get help. But no one will give you Wi-Fi if you keep acting this retarded. What do I want to buy? Do I have enough to buy a camera? That's 2,200. You know what? Yeah, let's do it. Bloop. This is just a clip. Oh, just this little button? Bruh. So I don't click the screen anymore? Okay then. Whoa, that's a lot. Boy, did he leave? I swear though, Hayden just... I swear, Hayden. Bruh. I'm going to have so much fun editing today. I'm going to... Wait, what? How? Oh, I dropped down. Oh, I see. I was like, wait, how did I drop down? Until I realized that happened. And imagine like I just come here and then I see Hayden's name on the thing and we're like, this dude grinds the game. He actually grinds the game. How much is for 5,000 followers? 5,000 followers. 5,000 followers. I want to buy some followers. And I'll buy followers on Instagram too. By the way guys, follow me on Instagram, flaming_sniper. And you'll get Robux. No, please don't. I'm kidding, no Robux for you. I don't want to get banned. Ask your parents. Alright, let's go check out this because I remember the shiny thing was here, but this thing wasn't. Chroma team member. Automatically makes your next purchase Chroma, which will do 10 times damage. Just not affect later. And just for this. And just for this. Let's go in the shop. Is there anything for the amount of Robux now? I am like so poor in Robux, so I'm not even kidding. I'm so poor in Robux. Where's Hayden? Hayden left me. He left me. Hayden! Little boy? Little boy? Hello? Hayden, where'd you go? Where'd you go, little boy? Get that chest. Get that chest over. Everyone run. I'll follow you behind. I think we're probably just going to stop hogging Crystal Pandora because he had enough damage in one of my videos. He called me mental. So yeah, I think I'm fine. I keep clicking the screen. We gotta find where Hayden is. Hayden went missing. I remember that we unlocked this area. Those who watch my videos and those who remember. We unlocked this area. Let's go to that chest before they kill it. Attack the chest! Bully it! Go. Oh wait, I see the freak of nature. There he is. Can you guys see him? Because I see him. The freak of nature. Freak of nature, wait! Freak of nature, wait! Freak, wait! How much is for this? 750k each. Freak, I'm coming. I'm going to save up for that. Oh, we're influential again! Wow. That's nice. We left the level and then we went back to the level. That's wonderful. That's right, this place just gives me so much. I see that Hayden bullied this game so hard. Because he's almost at 5,000. He's basically at 5,000 right now. Just look at his score. And Human Wolf is so poor. And I'm going to make it back up to where it was. I'm just going to bully all these chests. Bully all of them. How are they faster than me? Let's see how much I get from this chest. Ooh, almost 10,000. That's nice. Yeah, 10,000. Just gonna watch them. I'm gonna take pictures. Alright, yeah, I'm going to cut out this video. I'm just gonna like pause and then take him. Pryface. What? What are you taking? Are you bullying someone else? But Wi-Fi, boy, give me your Wi-Fi. And pause right here, and I'm gonna quickly wait. Yeah, I'm gonna go quickly grind, and when I'm done, I'll probably reach a new level. God knows. So I'm pausing this video for a little, so we can admire the things of nature standing in its place, just waiting. Oh God, same Omega. Oh God, same. How you doing? Okay, back to grinding. We almost have enough for Dallas. Beautiful. Alright, let's quickly start grinding again. See y'all later. Okay, so we are back, and I realized that if I buy Dallas now, We're gonna be so poor. But it's gonna be worth it, am I right? Flame Squad, are you with me? You're with me. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Welcome! Hey, I'm here. You respect me. All of you respect me. Good things. Basically, what is Dallas? Like, what the heck? We finally reached Dallas. This is where the freak of nature is. Whoa! Message chest. There's so much! It's not possible! Or did we not even... Oh, we didn't even lower down. Wow. Freak of nature! Freak of nature! Freak of nature! Freak! 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 Hi, Freak! Freak, how you doing? Freak! I found the freak. The freak has been found. Please stop. Just stop. I think I'm gonna make it to 1 million, but that's gonna be in the next video. Guys, that's the today's video. If you enjoyed, smash the button, subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit the bell so notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Stay awesome, believe in your dreams, and I'll see you on the next video. So like 3 times. Hayden, like actually, Hayden, please get help. Hayden, get help. No, look at me. Hayden, look at me. Hayden, look at me. Look at me. You see this? Boy, look at me. You see this? This retarded thing of yours has got to stop. It has got to stop. Okay, little boy? Good boy. If he was my child, I don't know what I would do with him. Guys, flame out.